Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Tonia Light. We are going to be making this BUBU gown or BUBU dress. If you are interested, please watch the video to the end. After watching, like the video, share, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. It's free, and remember to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload video, you'll be notified. Let's go. I've already folded it into 4. Let me show you the way I did it. Let's say this is 3 yards. I folded it like this. And I folded it like this again. This is exactly what I have here now. This is how I folded it on the table. Because I have 6 inches here. This 6 inches, I'm not going to use it now. You can see that. So, this is exactly how I folded it. So, the length of this BUBU is 58.5. That's what I have here, everything. So after sewing, whatever I have is the length of my BUBU. The neck 3 inches, 3 inches, shoulder 8 inches, then the sleeve you mark from the shoulder 60 inches. I'm marking ½ inch here, ½ inch. I marked ½ inch here, then I'll roll it like so. Measure round sleeve. I'll make it 12. Then divide by 2, 6 inches. One inch in this very place. Then this 1 inch, I'll just curve it like so. From here, I'll mark it down 3.5 inches. Then you curve it. Three inches, 3.5 inches. When you are cutting your BUBU, you use your hip measurement. Divide your hip measurement into 4. Mine is 12.5. I added 11 inches. The wideness of the BUBU is 24 inches. So this is the belt now. This is 2 inches. The length 25 inches. I'll join the shoulder, the 2 shoulder. Then I will not turn the neck with this bias. This is the rope. I've joined the shoulder. This bias, I'm going to use it to turn the neck round. I'll sew it round. I'll sew it round. Then I will use it to turn the neck like so. It's time to sew the rope. If you are sewing, you measure your waist round. If, for instance, your waist is 38 inches, you will divide the 38 inches into 4, which will give you 9 inches. So you fold your BUBU the way you saw me doing here now. Fold it on the table like this to get the middle. Then after that, you measure from your shoulder to your half length, which is under your bust. Whatever you have there, you mark it. Mine was 15. Then this very side, after you have measured your waist round, you divide it into 4. Whatever you have, you will mark it there. That is where you are going to fix the belt. After marking it, hold it with office pin. Then you flip it, turn the other side, and also mark from the shoulder to your half length, which is under your bust. You measure whatever you have. Mine is 15. You turn it and also mark the half length there, 15. And don't forget, if you are stitching the rope to the BUBU, you stitch it on the wrong side, the side that will face your belly. That is where you are going to stitch the rope. That very place you marked, that is where you are going to stitch the rope, on the wrong side of your fabric. This is hemigum. This is bias. Then I will just notch the neck round like so. Then after notching it round, I'll just turn it like this and top stitch it. Please do. I've already turned the neck with the bias. This is the back. The belt. This is the back of the neck. This is the front. The next thing, I'm going to fold this place now. This is the sleeve, the round sleeve. You can see the way I'm folding it. I'm going to sew it. I'll sew it like that. I will iron it. I will also sew the other side. That is the sleeve, the round sleeve or round curve. I will sew it like this. Then after sewing it like this, I will iron it. It's time to join the both sides together. I will sew it straight from this very spot to the end. That is how I'm going to sew the both sides. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and help me share. After subscribing, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload video, you'll be notified. Please, if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. Thank you. After joining the both sides, I will fold the down round. This is it, my people. After hemming the down, I join the sides, I iron it. So which one do you prefer? Is it with the belt or without the belts? Look at that. Which one do you prefer for me? Is it without the belt or with the belts? Please like this video, share, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, leave it at the comment section, and I would like to see you next time. Please watch other video on my channel. Bye bye.